Okay, it's time for another drink of juice. We'll start with some cantaloupe, cut up into little chunks. Then I'll take some strawberries. We've already rinsed these off. It's amazing how strawberries make everything really red. I've actually had these strawberries in the container with some pineapples. So it kind of made the pineapples a little redder too. But pineapples really contain a lot of sugar, so it makes your stuff really sweet. So that's all we have for this drink. Will be strawberries, melons, and pineapples. I think I will add a little ice, well, a little water. I don't know if I need water, but maybe so. Yeah, and a little ice. Okay, now let's see if we can juice this up. I may need to add a little more juice to it, but probably add a little orange juice. Depends on how this liquefies. Push the smoothie button. Ah, looks like it'll be liquid. Put it in the refrigerator, have some a little later today. Yep. Oops. Need space.